This is a video chat presentation of MTSN Technologies. It's a NASDAQ listed company trading under ticker MTSN. Brought this chart up because of a strong day on Friday, definite increase in volume, breaking through a resistance point, and because of that move, this chart's on radar this week for a continuation to challenge some new resistance points. See, leading into it, something that we always talk about, MACD trending towards zero, finally broke through zero, the price per share took off, retraced, held that zero mark, and is back on the rise again, showing that the trend is bullish at the moment. ADX cooled off from its high points of 50. Again, back on the climb now. This green line, the positive DI, is moving upward, indicating that the strength of the direction is to the bullish side. This is a real nice look to the money flow index. Outside of a brief dip through here, basically been trending on the upper half of the indicator, showing that people are steadily paying higher prices for the stock. Slight uptrend in the accumulation distribution. Like to see it pop through and make some new highs, show even stronger levels of accumulation. The recent buying pressure on Friday took the shaken money flow and pushed it back to the green side of things, back over top of zero, indicating that over the last 20 periods, buying pressure is outweighing selling pressure. CCI, break of 100, is technically considered the buy signal for that indicator. It's a hold until it breaks back down through 100. Full stow trying to push back up to the upper half, breaking back through 50, again showing bullish momentum in the play. And the tricks, still holding an uptrend, holding over top of zero. Like the MACD, it's a barometer of trend, and holding over top of zero indicates the trend's bullish. The RSIs just took off with the buying pressure and increase in volume, well over top of 50 now, signaling strong momentum in the play. It's kind of a cup and handle pattern. A lot of times people look at the cup and handle pattern as a continuation pattern when a stock's in a strong uptrend. And by definition, that's indeed true. But this still has that same pattern, and it's a nice look, showing the stock coming off of a bottom, forming a handle of consolidation with the resistance point right there at $1.48. It's a pretty definitive line, and the stock pushed through that on Friday to come up and challenge an old support level, which is now resistance, right around $1.60. You can see there's still a slight gap left to be filled to right there, about $1.65. But if it can come up and fill that gap and push through this resistance level, I don't see more resistance coming in play until the stock starts to approach $2. So there's still a pretty nice upside closing at $1.56 on Friday. And importantly, the charts are starting to take on a general overall bullish look, holding over top of the 50-day moving average. Bollinger Band starting to trend upward. Of course, it's trading well over top of the 200-day now as well. And with the price holding up there, this will start to rotate and move upward and give the chart an even more bullish look, because the most bullish charts, price per share is trending over top of those two key moving averages, and they're both moving upward. It's looking like a pretty nice reversal, though, coming off a base. And I think it's one worth keeping an eye on going forward, see if we can continue to see strong volume and the price per share appreciate on this breakout. Those are the type of things that I'd be looking for in the MTSN chart. But as always, it's merely my interpretation. Thank you for watching, and trade smart.